To represent numbers and possibly some operations, we need a numbering system. Our numbering system is called decimal because we use 10 symbols to write numbers. They are the famous 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is also another reason why it is called that. It is decimal because groupings of 10 are made to move from one position to the next. In fact, if we have to write the number 6, we write it like this. It is already ready to use. Also on the 7, 8 and 9. But if at this point we want to add one more, what happens? Let's imagine that we have bags of candy. Each bag contains from 0 to 9 sweets and, once it reaches 9, it must then be emptied. If I want to represent the number 8, I do it by placing all 8 candies in the first bag. If I want to represent the number 9, I add 1 to the same bag if I add another. This can no longer be contained in the first bag and I have to put it in the second, remembering to empty the first, which at this point contains 0, therefore 0 in the first bag and 1 in the second. Here is written the number 10. The first bag represents the units, the second the tens, the third bag, the hundreds. Continuing to add candies, we can get up to 99 in the first and 1 in the second. At this point, to add another, we must empty the first bag and add 1 to the second and we get the number 20. If we continue like this up to 99, we will then have the problem of writing the number 100. Just remember the operations we did before. We empty the first bag which can contain a maximum of 9 units and also the second bag which can contain a maximum of 9 tens and put 1 in the third, that of the hundreds. And here is our 100 as in the positions one bag fills, the next bag must be filled. We are therefore doing groups of 10.